Hello everyone, I hope that everyone is very well. Here I am Suraj, and in this video I'll be telling you very briefly about probability sampling technique and non-probability sampling technique, and when we should use probability sampling technique and when we should use non-probability sampling technique in our research. In layman language, if I ask what is probability, that means chances of happening something, means something will happen but we don't know what will happen or what will occur. In such situation, each unit should have the equal chances of happening. Okay, so if we are using the probability sampling technique, or we can say random sampling technique in our research, that means each individual of the population should have the equal chances of being selected, or we can say each individual of the population should have the equal chances to be our respondent, right? So if the population is unknown, can we use probability sampling technique? The answer is no. In case of unknown population, we can never use probability sampling technique. But the question is why you cannot use probability sampling technique in case of unknown population? See, when the population is unknown, that means we don't know what is the exact number of the population, who will be our respondent. So if we don't know what is the exact number of the population and who will be our respondent, how can we say that, how can we make sure that each individual of the population will have the equal chances to be our respondent? So in case of unknown population, we can never use probability sampling technique, but we can use non-probability sampling technique in case of unknown population. There are the various types of the non-probability sampling technique can be used based on the situation, or based on the distribution of the population. But the question is again, when we can use probability sampling technique? See, when the population is known, we know the exact number of the population, we know who is our respondent, then we can use probability sampling technique. Again, there are the various types of the probability sampling technique we can use depending on the situation and depending on the distribution of the population. So in the next video, I will discuss on the various types of the probability sampling technique and various types of the non-probability sampling technique, and when we can use this type in our research. So thank you so much.